Okay, I'm gonna show you how to use the Zelle app. Only thing you got to do is go to your app store and download it. You see this Z right here, this purple, you hit it, and it asks for a mobile number. So you can enter your mobile number, hit start. What it's doing is going through, and as you can see, my network is kind of slow here. And you pick what bank. I'm gonna pick Bank of America, and you can read through all of this stuff if you want to hit the link, but I'm gonna go ahead and log in. So this right here, you got to know your bank ID. And then you enter your password to your bank account. And these keys are so small, sometimes you might hit the wrong number, then hit submit. So now what it's doing is accessing your bank account. So it's linking your Zelle to your bank of account, which mine is Bank of America. And I hit the number that is associated with it. I'm gonna go down and it's gonna send me a text message or a phone call. I'm gonna go for the text message. You could go down, I'm gonna hit send code. As you can see, it sent me a code right there, 565335. 565335. Then I hit submit. You got to agree to all of these terms. And I hit consent. And as you can see, it's asking me to confirm all of this stuff to complete it. Click. So I'm gonna try that password again. Hit done. Hit join. Okay, you see they sent me a message. You have activated your profile with Zelle. So I'm gonna click this one, this account, and hit continue. Good news, your device supports touch. So I'm gonna skip that for right now. And add a profile, I'm gonna skip it. Add a pic, skip for now. Hit continue. And that's it. So now I can send money if I want to, if I want to send. And I pick people who I want to send it to and so forth. So if this video helps, subscribe to my channel and visit my website at www.weldingandstuff.net.